Hey everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of installing HappyMod on your iOS device. As you can see on my screen, it's already up and running perfectly. The best part? There's no need for a jailbreak or any tricky steps, just a simple and straightforward setup. I'll walk you through everything step by step, so stick around until the end to make sure you don't miss any important details. Grab your device, and let's get started. Before we get started, let's go through a couple of essential steps. First, open your device settings and go to General. Tap on Background App Refresh and make sure that either Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and mobile data is enabled. This setting allows the app to update and function properly in the background. Next, go back to the Settings menu and select Battery. Ensure that Low Power Mode is turned off. Disabling this option is important as it can affect the app's performance. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to proceed with the app installation. Let's get started. Once you have completed the initial checks, we can proceed. Open your browser and navigate to apriliab.com, a trusted site that hosts various modded applications. Search for HappyMod and select it from the results. A detailed page will appear with information such as the number of downloads and community ratings. Click on the Download Now button, and the system will begin downloading the app. This process is quick, and you should soon see a confirmation message indicating a successful installation. If you are using our site for the first time, you will have to perform one more step. It is very quick, easy, and of course free. You will be taken to a verification page where you will have to install apps from the App Store or Play Store. There will be a tutorial on the site showing how to do everything exactly. Once this step is completed, installation will start immediately. In my example, the verification was successful and the app was downloaded and you can see it on the screen. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching this video to the end. If you enjoyed it and everything is working well for you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you encounter any issues or have questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you and see you in my next video.